Hello everyone, this is Maria. I'd like to share with you some jewelry repairs that I've done. I bought this new elastic for bangles and bracelets, and I have restrung my old or broken jewelry. This one's glass and hematite, and I've added a bauble at the end. This one I got from Vinnie's and it was broken. I only paid $3 for the bracelet, but I've restrung it with beads in between, and I've used a charm. It looks like a Vespa, a little scooter. This one was made of red glass beads and some flower motifs on the black beads, with orange, a rose in a love heart. This one was broken and I've added a few beads to make it to suit my wrist. This one from Vinnie's was also broken. I've restrung it and placed a charm. This one's a peachy pink one. This is a gold tone Aurora Borealis. This one I made from different beads that I had loose. That's foil glass. This one is a dark blue crystal, and I've added something to hide the knot. And the last one looks like white stones with glass butterflies with gold inlay. Okay, and now I will show you my new hobby, which is making fridge magnets out of shells. So I've made, inside the resin, I have placed pink sand, which is made of glitter, and a little charm. This one's a blue one with a little shell. This one's a green one with pearls and green sand. This is a blue one with a starfish. I've put magnets on the back of these so they could be placed on the fridge. And while I was there, I made a few magnets for work, for our work notice board. One of them just was a broken thing, and I've placed a magnet behind it. And this is just another stainless steel that came from somewhere, and I've placed a magnet